So you have installed Proxmox or any local application, but let's talk about Proxmox here. And you don't know how to access this outside of your local network, right? You don't really, you're not fancy exposing your local network to the internet because it's unsafe. And like, look, here's the IP address, my local IP, and I can access it from right here. This is the easiest way that you'll find ever on the internet. Let's jump right into it. We will test it and I will show you by the end of the video, and you'll be able to set up the Cloudflare, access your Proxmox from outside of your network as well. It is going to be very easy. So let's jump right into it. First, you're going to go to this website. I will share the link to this website on the description of this video. So consider checking that one out. We're gonna go to this website right here. As you can see, view scripts, go to the network and firewall. We're gonna select Cloudflare, select this one. Then we're going to copy this link over here, click copy, and we're going to go to our local network, this Proxmox right here. We're going to go to this node, open the shell for this node, paste that link over here, click enter, then we wait. It's going to ask you a couple of questions, so we're going to select default. And if you have more than one storage, it's going to ask you which storage you want to install in. So I definitely don't want to use my cold storage. I will install it locally, and that's what I would recommend you as well. So select local storage, and then it's going to do everything by itself. Let's fast forward for a couple of seconds, and we are done. As you can see, it's done installing. You can see it right here, Cloudflare, right here. Click on this one, and here you go. This is your Cloudflare um, LXC container. Now we will set up the Cloudflare. So you go to your Cloudflare account, you create a tunnel. If you don't know how to create one, it's very easy. Just go to Cloudflare, create an account, go to the Zero Trust, and click on the networks, tunnels. As you can see, I have 3 tunnels, one of which is connected to my Proxmox already. The reason why I'm able to access it from right here. So before we disable this one, I will create a new tunnel. Select Cloudflare, name it. I'll name it YouTube. There we go. Save tunnel. And from here, we're going to select Debian. And right here, we have the Cloudflare service install. We're going to copy this command right here. We're going to go back to our Cloudflare container. We paste this right here, click enter, and there we go. That's about it. Now wait, there you go. As you can see, it's connected, and click next. And right here, we're going to, if you don't have a domain, you consider buying one, because everyone should have a domain name nowadays. So let's just say that we have this domain, everything, and we can access it right here, but we can only access this because I have another tunnel running inside my router right here. So I'm going to disable this one, click save, and yeah, if we go back right here, we'll see that my home lab tunnel was previously running is down, and if I refresh, I am not able to access my Proxmox, but I can still access it from my local IP address. Now we are going to configure this IP using that um, same domain name, HomeLab, or maybe we will use something else. But for sake of it, let's go YouTube, the one that we created. Go to the published application routes, and and we create a new one. So right here, maybe we call it Home Lab 1. We name it this, select this domain, we select HTTPS. So for any other routes, you're gonna select HTTP, but for Proxmox specifically, you're gonna select HTTPS and you select TLS, no TLS verify. This is important. Now right here, we write the same local IP address, 215, then we add port like this, we click save. Oh, maybe we try, maybe like let's try something other than the home lab. Home labs, like let's say home labs. Click save. Alright, it has updated the record. Now it says home labs. So let's see. Home labs. Yeah, there you go. Now you can access your Proxmox using this new route that you just created right here. And it is going through this tunnel that you created right here. So it is as easy as this. If you need any more information, feel free to comment down and I'm happy to help you guys. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the ad guard and how you can set up the private tunnels using Tailscale. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys around.